John and Mary are an elderly couple living in a quiet town in the United States. They are in their 70s, but their love is still full of life, warmth, and joy. They have been married for more than 50 years. Even after so many years, they still behave like young lovers. Every morning, John wakes up early and prepares tea for Mary. He carefully places the cup near her and gently wakes her up. Mary opens her eyes, smiles softly, and says, "You still take care of me like you did when we were young." John smiles and replies, "Because my love for you has never grown old." Mary laughs softly and says, "You always know how to make my day better." Their daily life is simple but beautiful. After breakfast, they often go for a slow walk in the park. John walks beside Mary, holding her hand carefully. They enjoy watching children play, birds flying, and the calm beauty of nature. Sometimes they sit on a bench and talk about their past, how they first met, their early struggles, and the beautiful memories they created together. Mary often says, "Those were not easy days. But we were always together." John nods and replies, "Yes, and that made us strong." Their life was not always easy. They faced many challenges, financial problems, health issues, and difficult times. But they never gave up on each other. Whenever one felt weak, the other gave strength. That is the secret of their long-lasting love. One day, John becomes very ill and has to stay in bed for several days. Mary stays by his side day and night. She takes care of him with love and patience. She gives him medicine, prepares his food, and gently talks to him to keep his spirits high. Even in his weak condition, John smiles and says, "You are still my greatest strength." Mary's eyes fill with tears, and she replies, "And you are my forever love." After some time, John recovers slowly. Mary's care and love help him heal. This moment makes their bond even stronger. They realize once again that their love is not just emotional, it is a deep connection built on care, sacrifice, and trust. Their children and grandchildren often visit them. The house becomes full of laughter, stories, and happiness. The younger generation looks at John and Mary with admiration. They see how two people can love each other for a lifetime and still remain kind, respectful, and caring. One evening, the sky turns orange and beautiful. John and Mary sit together in their small garden. The wind is soft, and the world feels peaceful. They hold hands and watch the sunset quietly. After a few moments, Mary gently asks, "Do you ever feel that time has passed too quickly?" John looks at her with a warm smile and says, "Time may pass, but my love for you only grows stronger." Mary smiles and replies, "We may have grown old, but our love stayed young." John softly says, "Yes, our love is like a flame that never goes out." Mary laughs gently and says, "Then let's keep it alive forever." They both smile, feeling the deep bond they share. Their eyes speak more than words ever could. As the days pass, their routine remains simple. They eat together, walk together, talk together, and care for each other. Every small moment becomes special because they share it together. Their love is not loud or dramatic. It is calm, patient, and pure. It is built on understanding, respect, and years of shared experiences. Years continue to pass, but their love remains unchanged. Even when their bodies grow weaker, their hearts stay strong. They continue to support each other in every situation. One day, sitting side by side, Mary softly says, "John, our journey was long, but it was beautiful." John gently holds her hand and says, "Yes. And I would choose you again in every life." Mary smiles with tears of happiness and says, "Me too." Their story shows that true love is not about age, beauty, or time. It is about staying together, caring for each other, and never giving up, even when life becomes difficult. In the end, John and Mary prove that real love never grows old. Their love remains strong, pure, and eternal, just like the day it began.